I hope all my whitey friends will like this gooseberry. I think you all will like this gooseberry because अभी gooseberry का season हो रहा है. Gooseberry season is almost here. So just capturing this beautiful gooseberry bearing bunch and bunch. And that is also in a very, 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 very small tree. See, my goodness. You guys will really like it. Kimami Sundorna. And I'm not going to block this gooseberry. Yeah, I'll have it, but not much. Say like a 4, 5, 6 gooseberry. I'll just dig and I'll just leave it like this, so that other people, other friends will also, when they see, they will also have it. We'll keep for friends also. Okay. The tree is very short. It's very short, and see, it's very short. And it's bearing so much fruits. Iman bishu la sa do he. Khas chutu ina na. Kiman du mujas na. उसका गुसबरी का खास इतना छोटा सा फेयर देखो इतना निकल रहा है. Still with them guns na bangay na ita diga with them Monday. Will not take much, only little. Alright, this is man red color. देखो ये जो इतना color red. This one is in red color. So nice. See, kiman bi bal na man mucha se. Fresh na. Our sabi na ito kiman bi sundar se. This one is also very beautiful jungle fruits. Man sundar. This too we don't eat, but the birds and animals, they eat this fruits. It's very beautiful. Guys, I saw this plant. I saw this plant in YouTube. Some YouTubers, they upload this plant. Just a snake ka plant hai. I think they said like they eat this one, but never in my life I've never known like anybody said like we eat this plant. Wow, we can listen to the beautiful sounds of the birds. इतना खूबसूरत सुनते हैं. पानी गिराइछ ना. So this is also a jungle fruit, but it's not ripe. Still not ripe. This one is very tasty. Okay, my goodness, let me go inside the jungle. Oh wow. So now I'm under Nadi. There's a beautiful river. भगवान ने कितना भी खूबसूरत नेचर बनाया है देखो. जब जंगल में आती हूँ इतना खुश हो जाती हूँ. फ्रेश एयर, सो नाइस. बहुत खुश. हमने भी मलाई दो छोटे ब्लॉग्स तो बहुत लगी छिड़ी दो कमेंट्स कर दीजिए. अगर आप सब लोग मेरा स्मॉल ब्लॉग्स अच्छा लगा जंगल का, प्लीज़ कमेंट कर देना. और अगर कुछ ख़राब है तो प्लीज़ हमको करेक्शन कर देना, एडवाइस कर देना. I'll be very happy. And if you guys, I'll be very happy if you guys advise me. Okay, not only support, but I need your advice also. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my small jungle vlogs. So I'll end my video from here. Till then, bye bye everyone. Stay happy and good health. See you in next video.